Hi, it's Ewan Fletcher from Sharp Accounting, providing you with the Spring 2024 self-storage update. As you would expect at this time of year, there's more demand picking up as people are starting to look to move and utilise self-storage more. What we're also seeing, which is pleasing, is rates are starting to come back up in regards to the rental rates. So it's really important within your business, you review when was the last time you increased or even reviewed your prices. And what type of timeline have you got that on? Is that every 6 or 9 months or 12 months that you're looking at rental increases? Look at your level of occupancy. Are rental increases justified at the moment, or are you still maybe at 60 or 70% occupancy and therefore it doesn't make sense? The other thing I'd be recommending at the moment is to have a really good look through the key costs of your business. One of the biggest ones can be around the staffing side of things. And what's really important is to make sure that if you're paying staff to work for your business, make sure you're training them up in the way that you want them to contribute to the business, as far as answering the phone, selling units to your potential customers, taking face-to-face inquiries. So make sure that they're actually adding value to the business, because putting the effort into training will pay you back in spades longer term. The other thing I'd be recommending at the moment is to give consideration to where your facility is sitting overall, both in recent times, but the longer term trend. Because what we're starting to see with some of our clients is they're starting to get up around that 90% occupancy again, which is indicating that they're not too far off really being full. And with that in mind, a number of them are starting to look to expand their facilities. Obviously, probably in a smaller fashion than what they might have a couple of years ago when interest rates were lower, but certainly looking to expand as a way to, offset some of the rising costs that they're facing. And what I mean by this is some of the fixed costs within the business, whether it's your employment costs, power costs, a few of those things that are just there, insurance, day in, day out. By having a larger facility, you can obviously spread those costs over more customers, which will just increase your profitability. So really important to be thinking about that now. So that's just a bit of an update at the moment. There's some really positive signs within the industry. I believe it's turned a corner. However, time will tell as to the momentum and whether it keeps up.